Well, Everett, I didn't like seeing those low temperatures at the start of that weather, but by the end of it, I was liking what I was hearing. Warmer this weekend.
There is light at the end of the tunnel, but we do have some winter weather to get through first. I did compile some statistics as to just how cold we've been, and this is day number 14 in Charleston, where we've been below 32 degrees. The last time we saw a temperature above freezing was on February 5th. But that is not a record-setting stretch, actually. We went 21 days below the freezing mark from January 4th to the 25th back in 1977. So we will make it to 14, I think. I think we're going to stay below freezing tomorrow, so we'll have 15 days once we get into tomorrow. But even then, that's not going to be setting a record. It will still, though, set about a top 10 number for us with days below freezing, but those days are numbered. We're finally going to be making it above freezing as we head into the weekend. Not going to be right now, though. We're still seeing those temperatures in the teens and 20s. 15 in Paris, 17 in Champaign, 22 in Decatur. Feeling much colder than that, of course, with the wind factored in there, feeling like 14 in Charleston, 19 in Robinson, no current wind there, feeling like 6 up in Champaign and 14 over in Taylorville. Now, as we look ahead, again, those temperatures will be rising. So again, tomorrow staying below freezing, so that'll be day number 15. But by Sunday, it looks like we're finally going to make it above the freezing mark, up to 38 degrees. Going to come with a little bit of precipitation, though, and a little bit cooler on Monday. But then check out Tuesday as we get to next week. We'll actually make it above average. Our average for this time of year is 43 degrees, up to 47 degrees. And if we keep the trends going, I wouldn't be surprised to see some of our southern areas make it to the 50-degree mark as we get into the day on Tuesday. But that's just one of the highlights we're tracking. Before we get to all that warm weather, which of course we're all looking forward to, I'm sure, we do have another cold night in store for tonight, and I'm also tracking a wintry mix as we get into the latter half of the weekend. So satellite radar right now has been clear most of the day. We've seen sunshine that's helped melt some of the snow out there, but you'll notice the clouds are on the increase further to the west, and we do have some light snow showers that may graze our far northern areas tonight. I don't think that's going to be too much of an ordeal for us, but we will see that cloud cover increasing as we go into the overnight hours. And despite that, we will be staying cold tonight. We're expecting lows to fall back down into the single digits. Now, we'll pick up our futurecast for Saturday. This is tomorrow morning. We'll start the day with mostly cloudy skies, but I think that'll break down as we get into the afternoon. So do expect to see some sunshine. I'm going to call it partly cloudy skies overall for the day. And then the clouds are going to increase again as we go into Sunday. And the first half of Sunday is also going to be dry. Here we are at 8 o'clock in the morning, mostly cloudy skies ahead of our next chance of rain and snow that moves into central Illinois. Here we are at 3 o'clock. The precipitation is just making it into the Taylorville and Decatur areas. It will continue to overspread central Illinois as we go into the evening. So by 6 o'clock, I think we'll see precipitation, but you'll notice mostly going to be rain. Our far northern counties, you saw the snow move through those areas. They could see a little bit of snow, but even as we get into Sunday evening, temperatures are going to be rising. So I think that's going to be changing over to all rain as we finish out the system. And by midnight, that is going to be clearing out of the area. So again, snow potential for Sunday, not that impressive at all, less than an inch, and that's mainly focused across our northern tier of counties. The rest of us, we may see a few snowflakes initially, but that will be melting as we head over the rest of the day on Sunday as temperatures will continue to rise. For tonight, though, again, another cold night, 8 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, but notice down there to the bottom, southwest wind 3 to 5 miles an hour. That's a sign of that warmer weather that is finally making its way into central Illinois. We'll start our warming trend tomorrow, make it up to 29 degrees. Areas that see more sunshine wouldn't be surprised to make it into the 30s. And notice winds gusting from the south this time, 15 miles an hour. So it is going to feel a little bit cooler, but that wind is going to be bringing us that warmer weather that really works in here as we get into next week. Again, we get through that wintry mix Sunday afternoon and evening. 37 on Monday, a little bit cooler, but the sunshine comes out in full force going into Tuesday. That warms up those temperatures to 47 degrees. Tracking another chance of a rain, maybe some snow on the back edge of the system Wednesday, and then temperatures back down into the 30s, which is below average. But hey, at this point, I will take temperatures in the middle 30s over the single digits and teens that we've had any day.